On November 20th, 1969, the moon started ringing like a struck bell, and it did not stop for almost an hour. Not a metaphor. A real seismometer, sitting alone on the dusty gray surface, recorded actual vibrations rolling back and forth across the entire moon like sound trapped inside a drum. Here is how it happened. Apollo 12 astronauts Pete Conrad and Alan Bean had just finished exploring the surface and reboarded their lunar module to rejoin the command ship orbiting above. Mission Control then had them jettison the empty ascent stage, and it fell back down, slamming into the moon roughly 40 miles from where they had just been standing. Days earlier, the astronauts had planted a seismometer nearby as part of their surface experiments. The instant the ascent stage hit, that seismometer picked up the shock. Instead of a quick spike that faded in seconds, like an earthquake back home, the needle kept swinging on and on for 55 minutes straight. On Earth, seismic waves die out fast because water, soil, and soft rock soak up the energy almost immediately. The moon has none of that. It is bone-dry, rigid rock all the way through, with no atmosphere and no moisture anywhere to slow a vibration down once it starts moving. Subscribe, because tomorrow's cosmic secret is even stranger than this one. Then it happened again. In April 1970, NASA deliberately crashed the third stage of the Apollo 13 rocket into the moon, and this time the ringing lasted more than 3 hours, spreading outward from the impact point like ripples that refused to settle. Scientists now call these events moonquakes, and researchers still debate exactly why the ringing lasts so long. The leading idea is that the moon's cracked, brittle interior behaves like a giant hollow shell, with almost nothing inside to absorb the sound. Hit the bell icon so tomorrow's discovery lands in your feed the moment it drops. More than 50 years later, those Apollo seismometers have gone silent, but the tapes are still sitting in NASA's archives, proof that a quiet gray rock 238,000 miles away once rang for nearly an hour because one metal box hit its surface. Comment below if you would have believed that before hearing the recording.